Because I don't think it's safe.
Well, we could just do the down floor.
I'm happy with that.
Aye. Buckfast. Can I take a sip? Ah. How'd you feel now? Perfect?
Still a bit screwed.
Right, are we going in? Oh shit.
I'm taking the bag with it.
Aye. Just keep up with me, alright? Don't like fucking wander off this shit. Hello? Anybody home? Wait, I'll get you coming in.
Fucking dick. Don't blind the light with me.
I know, but it's good lighting.
Fucking. It's good to see shit. That can't fucking see shit. Pointed at me.
Hello?
Ow. Definitely not going up the other way.
Oh, somebody else just put their foot through and probably went right through it. You want to go that way then? I think we should go that way again, like go around
Oh,
the side of the stairs.
You lead the way, Bozo.
Fair enough, okay.
All those big metal things, well, they were fun last time.
Oh yeah.
Well, I've still got a scar in my hand.
This is like the Blair Witch House. And that
I don't fucking remember.
person. That body bag is still there. Oh, I don't like the look at this, man. Whoa! Well, that was that.
Here's my dog got me fucking still.
Right, I'll need to get you.
I'm coming.
Whoa, there's a picture frame here. Picture frame. Hello, picture frame. Whoa.
Yeah, shit. Well, I've seen the last thing you're money.
Ah, no. Yes, the books are still there.
Got the books.
And there's a plate. Huh. Hello? Anybody there?
Ah, fucking caravan trouble.
No, it's been burnt out.
What?
Look. Oh, look at that, man. Perfect lighting. Somebody's. Oh, there's a wee car. A wee toy car. Hello? Anybody home?
You fucking stop doing that, I'm gonna boot you in the balls.
I like doing it. I like saying hello.
I don't like you doing it.
How? Does it sound English?
No, it sounds annoying. Used to be a wall there.
I know, mine, that glow was coming from the wall there. And we didn't know what it was.
Huh?
We didn't know what the glow was. It was kind of creepy at the time. We came back here in the daylight.
I don't give a fuck.
Well, I'm just going to like go up to the landing and then come back down.
I wouldn't go up the stairs if I was you.
Ah, they'll be fine. I'm sure they'll be fine.
No, they won't.
Right, you press on because I want to get a good shot of you going that way. The camera.
I ain't gonna do that fucking way.
No, that way.
Let's do this way.
Back down this way.
I ain't
Oh, we can go outside first.
I ain't fucking running in here because I will hang myself.
We can go outside first.
Why?
Just to check out. See what's new. It's another wee toy car. Hello? Don't hit me.
Stop doing that.
Whoa. Video. Wonder who burnt that out.
Gypsies.
Which is more like. Wonder why they burnt it out, just for the sake of it. For the whole fun of it.
Still I'm saying gypsies.
Damn gypsies. We're heading in back this way, I think. Hold on, I want to get you.
I should bring my wee camera, my wee light with me.
Going back in this. Oh,
It's a jacket.
I thought that was somebody there. I was shitting myself. I was going to say hello. Okay, we're going in. Somebody's jacket, ladies and gentlemen. Discs. You alright?
I'm fantastic.
Take another swig of Buckfast if you want. I'm not caring what you do. Just don't fucking run off and leave me.
I'm keeping my faculties the way they are right now.
Yeah.
Somebody's been here at a fucking rave.
Mm-hmm. Poor fireplace.
It's a good fireplace. I'm telling you, it's not worth another.
Oh.
I'm just saying.
Well, it'll be good for YouTube.
Don't walk along the fucking things.
No, I won't do that. I feel like there's somebody here.
There's nobody here apart from me here.
Are you sure?
I'm fucking positive. You fall, I'm gonna be pissed off.
No, don't be, man.
I don't think we're walking along here anymore.
No, man. Oh, you're behind me.
Mm-hmm.
Can I just quickly get you coming up? Right.
Fucking told you, didn't I?
No. Somebody else was here and put their foot through that.
You can't even walk that way anymore. Well, can't even walk that way anymore.
Nope. You can go into that room and have
Told
a
you my
look.
fucking foot was slipping through there. I wouldn't risk it.
Well, that room looks okay. In you go, I got your back. Whoa.
Fucking right chains, isn't it?
Aye, that was solid there. Well, the TV's gone, I think. You alright?
Uh-huh.
Wires hanging down.
Told you, man, this is not a good place to be.
You want to jump in there?
Not particular.
Wait, you stay there a minute and I'll get you coming out. Right, on you come. Right, you go first.
I do not trust going that way at all.
No, we won't bother
Just
going down
because
that
of
way.
these fucking holes and shit.
No, we won't go down that way. I'll get you going down the stairs, like.
Oh, you mind?
It's alright.